Hi, today we're gonna replace the inner pads of this Abus Airbraker helmet. The problem here is that this bolt here is totally flat. The head of this bolt is totally flat, so you cannot unscrew. I tried to pop it up, but I destroyed it a bit here. So we're gonna replace this, and I will show you how we will pop up this flat bolt. We'll take out these things from the side. You have to take this 90 degrees up and pop it up. You have to take it 90 degrees because you see here it's square, and also square is this position here. The same with the other side, 90 degrees and pop it up. This is very easy. So the problem is how to take this out. You see it's totally flat, you cannot do anything. I tried to pop it up using the inner pads and I destroyed it. You see? So I'll try to pop it up with this tool, and to have access you have to insert this from this side. Let's see from inside. And vernier, and you have to press a bit. Perfect. The bolt is out. You see how it is? And the inner pad, look how I destroyed it. Look, trying to pop it up. So try using a tool, something like that, to pop it out, like that. So we have a new replacement. This is how it is. You can put it in the middle, like that, 90 degrees again, and here in this hole. This is okay. Same from the other position. Very good. And now the time for this strange bolt. You just press it inside. You can hear the click. Okay, very good. And we are ready. Thanks for watching.